In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attend a meeting in Cisco WebEx. Let's start by getting your meeting details ready. Open your web browser and go to your email or calendar where the invite was sent. Locate the event, then double-check the date, time, and time zone so you don't arrive late. If the invite includes a meeting password, keep it handy. You'll enter it exactly as written when prompted. Next, use the invite to join. Click the green Join Meeting button if you see one, or click the meeting URL provided in the email or calendar entry. Either option will take you to WebEx and prompt you to choose how you want to join. You can join with the desktop app or directly in your browser. If the WebEx desktop app is already installed, it will typically open on its own. Allow your browser to open the app when asked. The desktop app provides the most stable experience and access to all features, so it's a great choice if you use WebEx often. If you prefer not to download anything, select Join from your browser. This opens the web app, which works well in modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. When the browser asks for permission to use your microphone and camera, click Allow. If you accidentally block it, use your browser's site permissions to re-enable access. Before joining, you may be asked to provide your name and email address, and possibly a meeting password. Use a name your host will recognize, and enter the password exactly as shown in the invite. You'll then see a preview window to configure your audio and video. Choose computer audio to use your device's speakers and microphone. Select the correct microphone and speaker from the drop-downs, and do a quick mic check to see the input level moving. Headphones can significantly reduce echo and improve clarity. Pick your camera if you plan to share video, and adjust options like background blur if available. It's a good idea to mute your microphone before entering, especially if you're joining from a noisy environment, and only turn it on when you're ready to speak. When everything looks good, click the final Join Meeting button. If you arrive early, you might wait in the lobby until the host lets you in. Once you're in, confirm your audio by unmuting briefly or checking the audio settings if you can't hear. Keep the chat panel visible for links or instructions, and remember you can always toggle your mic and camera as needed. That's it. You're ready to attend your WebEx meeting confidently and without hassle.